Researchers in Russia find dozens of strange disc-shaped objects containing tungsten. We know Russia is the biggest country in the world, and most of its Siberia is very sparsely populated. Now, more news from Russia. Researchers in Volgograd discovered over a dozen disc-shaped objects, including one which has over 4 meters in diameter. That's over 12 feet in diameter. Now, according to experts, these alien disc-shaped rocks contain tungsten, a high-density metal used in military technology. Tungsten, or as we know, wolfram, is remarkable for its robustness, especially the fact that it has the highest melting point of all the elements. Tungsten's hardness and high density give it military applications in penetrating projectiles. Now, the group responsible for the discovery was Kosmopoisk, according to the Russian website. Kosmopoisk is a Russian UFO and cryptozoology research group. It was performing excavations in the district of Zhirnovsky, Volgograd, while researchers stumbled upon disc-shaped rocks in the past. This is the first time a disc-shaped rock with such properties was unearthed, and as you can see, it almost looks as if it's constructed. Is this a natural formation to you? Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. So to me, it doesn't look as if I'm not a geologist, but it doesn't look to be a geological formation. It's too uniform. Look at the shape of it. It's perfectly spherical, disc-shaped. Now, researchers stumbled upon these disc-shaped rocks in the past, but it's the first time a disc-shaped rock with such properties was unearthed by them. They said we had already found over a dozen of these discs. Most of them had a diameter of around 1 meter. They were smaller than this one. At Kuzbas, they said we unearthed a disc-shaped object with a diameter of nearly 2 meters. That's about 6 or 7 feet. But this new giant disc-shaped rock is unique and impressive. This was what Vadim Chernobrov, who was in charge of the excavation, explains to us. The shape of the 4-meter disc, which is extremely similar to modern-day interpretation of UFOs, has given UFO hunters and ufologists a lot to talk about. Scott Waring, editor of UFO Sightings Daily, believes that the discovery of this mysterious disc-shaped rock is ultimate evidence of extraterrestrial visitations in the past, that its composition is what makes it unique since it's made of tungsten steel, which is used in military technology today. Now, beyond speculations about the nature of the mysterious objects that have been unearthed, a newly found disc-shaped UFO has been transported to the Zhirnovsky Museum, where scientists are studying it to try and find out its age and the exact composition of the material that it's made from. But many people remain skeptical about the object, suggesting that these could be the result of natural erosion and are not the result of alien beings visiting our Earth in the distant past. Earlier this year, another mysterious disc-shaped object was discovered in Russia by a mining company near the city of Belovo, located in the Kuznetsk Basin. I don't know where that is, but anyway. The mysterious 1.2 meter disc was located at a depth of 40 meters, suggesting that it could be very old. Of course, 40 meters, that's about 120 feet down. So obviously it was sedimentary or whatever rocks were placed on top of this. Makes it a very ancient artifact, right? So archaeologists performed several tests and concluded that this perfectly circular 1.2 meter disc was something made by man in the distant past. So is it possible that these mysterious objects are monuments created by ancient men, representations of what they had seen in the past? Or is it possible, as skeptics suggest, that these disc-shaped objects are the product of natural erosion? Or are they just from ancient aliens? If they are the result of natural erosion, how would you explain the large amounts of tungsten in them? This was from Ancient Code on Humans Are Free. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support.